left. L-E-F-T, the sound of L. Look, he's kind of peeking with his hand. This is my left leg. She's pointing, stepping out with her left leg. Cute shoes. I can hop on my left leg. Oh, she's hopping. She's got one leg up, one leg down, and she is hopping. This is my left arm. Look. There's the fingers at the end of his left arm. I can mop with my left arm. So there he is. He's mopping. There's the end of the mop. I'm gonna mop the floor. This is my left hand. Isn't that cool? So if you kind of open your hand and you do this, your thumb's always on this side if it's your left hand. If it's your right hand, your thumb would be on the other side. So this is my left hand. I can dig with my left hand. So look, it's got a nice scoop, green scoop there. This is my left foot. There's his left foot. Looks like he might have a little itch he's scratching. This is my left foot. How many toes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can kick with my left foot. Wow. She is kicking like she really means it there, huh? She's got some strength. She's strong. I can kick with my left foot. This is my left eye. Look at that. That's what he was trying to show us on the cover. This is my left eye. My left eye sees left and right. Look, now we can see his face. The word list, left and leg. The book about the sound of L. And for more books and resources, just go to homeschoolforlife.org. Thank you.